Device targeting in Google Ads allows you to choose the specific devices on which your ads will appear, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. This feature is valuable for tailoring your ad experience to the preferences and behaviors of users on different devices. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use device targeting in your Google Ads campaign. 1. Log in to your Google Ads account. Visit ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. 2. Navigate to the campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab in the left menu to access your existing campaigns or create a new one. 3. Choose a campaign. Select the campaign for which you want to set up device targeting. 4. Access the settings. Navigate to the Settings tab within the selected campaign. 5. Device targeting settings. Under the Settings tab, locate the Devices section. Here, you can customize your device targeting. 6. Edit device settings. Click on the Edit button. Click on the Edit button to customize your device targeting settings. Choose target devices. Select the devices on which you want your ads to appear. Options typically include desktops and laptops, tablets, mobile devices. Set bid adjustments, optional. Optionally, you can set bid adjustments for specific devices. Bid adjustments allow you to increase or decrease your bids for ads shown on certain devices. For example, you might increase bids for mobile devices if they have higher conversion rates. 7. Save your device targeting settings. Click Save to apply your device targeting settings to the campaign. 8. Monitor performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your ads based on device targeting. Use the Google Ads dashboard to analyze metrics such as impressions, clicks, click-through rates, center, and conversions for different devices. Tips for using device targeting effectively. Understand user behavior. Consider the behavior of users on different devices. For example, mobile users might be more likely to make quick, on-the-go decisions, while desktop users might be in research mode. Analyze conversion data. Review historical conversion data to identify which devices are driving the most conversions. Adjust your device targeting settings based on this information. Set bid adjustments strategically. If certain devices perform better or worse than others, use bid adjustments strategically. Increase bids for high-performing devices and decrease bids for lower-performing ones. Consider mobile optimization. If targeting mobile devices, ensure that your landing pages and ad creatives are optimized for mobile viewing and interactions. Test different ad creatives. Tailor your ad creatives to the user experience on each device. Test different ad formats and messaging to see what resonates best with users on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. Use responsive ads. Consider using responsive ads that automatically adjust their size and appearance based on the device and screen size. Responsive ads can provide a consistent user experience across various devices. Device targeting allows you to customize your ad strategy to the preferences and behaviors of users on different devices. By optimizing your campaigns for specific devices, you can improve the relevance of your ads and enhance overall campaign performance. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your device targeting settings based on performance data is key to maximizing results. So that's it. See you soon.